Ah, we Africans who have suffered a lot in the hand of blue app and also in red app. If you understand what I mean by blue app and red app, you'll agree with me that we have suffered a lot seeking for a way to get monetization, all to no avail. And so many of us that are able to even get it always end up in having one issue to another. And the payment is just like a peanut. It doesn't worth the stress at all. So today I bring you a good news. And this good news is that this particular website I'm going to introduce to you is a website that does not require 60,000 watch hour. No, you don't need even 4,000 watch hour, just like Red App. No, neither do you need 10,000 followers to enter monetization. No, you also don't need 1,000 followers. You don't need it at all to enter monetization. This particular website is almost totally free for monetization. So I'm going to put you through step by step on how this website works and how to utilize it and make good money out of it. So if you like what you want to hear, please stay with me to the end because I'll put you through on how to get it. And don't also forget that I have dropped the link to this website right there in the comment section. And it's also on the description box. So anywhere that you can find it, you will see them right there. So this website, I'm telling you, the only thing you need to get monetized is only 100 followers. Yes, you heard me right. Just 100 followers. That is what you need. Once you click, you hit 100 followers, you will unlock everything about their monetization. And I tell you, the pay is cool. As in, their payment, their monetization threshold is only $50. Once you hit $50, you are free to withdraw your money because it's your sweat, okay? They did not limit you up to 100, just 50. And most times, they even allow you to withdraw below that. Can you imagine? So we are going to look at it and see how to create the account. So if you're interested, let's go. So once you hit the link on the description box or on the comment section, it's going to bring you direct to this place. It's going to bring you direct to this place. So the media we are talking about is called Rumble. You can see the logo here. This is where Rumble look like. You can see it over here. You can as well get it in the Play Store with that same logo. The name is Rumble. You can use it on your smartphone, on your PCs, and even on your iPads. Okay. So to bring it, says enter your account detail to get started. So over here, you simply put in your email address, then you fill in your date of birth. I can fill in the date of birth here. Don't worry, it's not my date of birth. So I can fill in the date of birth. This is, I think it was 16 that he was born. So put it here. The next thing to do is to hit on next. So when we hit on next, it will ask us to verify if we are human or robots. Okay, so that's what it's bringing out here. So what you need to do is just to click on verify as human. You click verify as human, it will now bring you to this place. You say enter your account details to get started. We are here to ask you to enter your username, your gender, and your country. So what I'll put here as username, let me say my kids TV, because I'm creating it for my kids, okay? So I use my kids TV as a username. Then the gender, let me use their senior brother as male. Then the country, my country is Nigeria. So I'm going to use Nigeria. So put on Nigeria. We'll look for Nigeria here. And we choose Nigeria. So the next one, you have to accept these terms and conditions. Then you go next. So choose your right country, okay? Don't be afraid. Everything is free and they are going to allow you, no matter even if you are in Africa, you are in Nigeria, you're in Ghana, you're in South Africa, anywhere you are free to register it. You are free to enroll and get monetized. So once we are here now, the next thing they'll say ask us to verify as human. You click I'm a human just to verify it. Then here they are telling us that our username is taken. My kids TV is already taken. Someone have taken it. So what are we going to do now? Let's change it to, okay, let's say my kids and I. Okay, so I'm changing it to my kiss and I, okay? So if your username is taken, you can always change it, all right? So I'm using my kiss and I because I will be joining them too. So we click. Now over here is asking us to create our password. So you have to use a strong password. The password that is very okay is a password that have a capital letter, I have a small letters, and have a number and a special character, okay? So I'm going to create one here. So you have to repeat the same thing you put on the first one. Remember, it's the same thing you repeat again. So over here, and I can see all of them have marked good. It has 8 characters. It has at least one uppercase. It has at least one special character. It has at least one lowercase and at least a number. Okay, so everything is complete. So the next thing we'll do is to hit next. So it has sent us a code inside this email address. That means the email address you must use is an email address that is functional, that is working. Don't use an email that is not working, else you will not get your code. Now I have received my code on that email address. So I'm going to put in my code now for us to continue. So I put in my code. So the next thing is to click on next. Yes, our account is ready. You can see our dashboard is out. You can see all the dollar here as 000 because we have not created account, but it's just a new account and we have not dropped in videos yet. Okay, so you can see it here. Our dashboard is open. So meaning that the account is successfully created. So once you see this page here, you know that your account is successful. You have successfully created your Rambo's account. You can see it here. Account overview, everything is earning estimated earning 00, YouTube earning. That means that you can even earn from YouTube. Don't worry, I'll teach you every of these things one after the other. So if you want to keep getting Rambo tutorials, how to grow on your Rambo, how to make money on Rambo, don't forget to hit a follow button. Follow me. If not, you will miss out. Hit that follow button right away and share it. Share it to other people so that we will get as many as possible, especially our Nigerians. No, we don't suffer. Share it. Let everybody come inside Rambo. All right. So you can see in our estimated earning, we have YouTube earning, we have third party earning, they have Rambo earning, and they have total. You can see that. That means you have 3 different type of revenue. You earn from YouTube, you earn from third party, you also earn from Rambo itself. The third party is the AdSense, just like YouTube AdSense. This one too, they work on ads. As your content is moving, they'll be throwing in ads for you once you hit your monetization threshold. All right. So you can see how it is. You can see everything. You can see everything here. So this is where you see everything about you. So over here now, if you want to know, let's go ahead and configure our account properly. So here now, to put in your image, you have to click over this place or this top corner here. You can see the image. Our name is there. My kids and I is already there, but there is no image. So for you to do that, you go to my dashboard. You click on your dashboard. You can see the dashboard sign is different. You can see how the dashboard is. This is your balance because all you have earned for the day is 0. Now look at that thing I told you earlier. So just for in case of people that want to doubt that I said it's 100 followers, can you see it here? Can you see it here? You see, once you earn 100 followers, you will be eligible to enroll in the Rambo Creator Program. Do you see that? Do you see that? So I did not lie to you. That is what they wrote. And once you hit it, that's why I said don't forget to follow me, because I'm going to be dropping bomber to bomber tutorials, much tutorials on this particular Rambo. All right. So we are going to see how it is. You can see once you start earning, you will see everything. Nothing is hidden on this particular website. So for us to put in our photos now, you will come over to this corner, to this left side. You go to account setting. Then you can see profile. This way, the right profile is where you will now put in your image. So over here, you click on the profile now. Now you can see it here, profile image. Here, you click here, you upload your profile image. And here, this backflash picture is just like your YouTube banner. You know, when they talk of YouTube banner, it's the same thing on this one. But these people, they call it backflash, all right? So don't be confused. It's the same thing. You can see the size as well. Then here you put in your description of your account, what you are into, your niche, what you are into. You put the description right here. Okay, then if you have your socials, let's say your Facebook, your Twitter, your Instagram, your Truth Social, you can just bring in the links right over here as well. Okay, so that everything will work together. Don't forget, they have earnings from YouTube. They have earnings from YouTube. So we are going to learn all of this. So once we are done, let's put a picture first before we forget. So click on this upload photo. Upload photo here. The photo I want to use is not on my laptop. It's not on my laptop. But let me just show you as an example. Okay, as an example. So let me say I use this baby for example now. Or okay, let's say I use this lady now for example. Okay, so that you see how it will look like. See here, if it's okay, you mark it good. Is uploading your photo, your profile photo. Understand? Make sure it's a clean background photo. You know, this, I'm just using this as an example so that you see how it works. All right. You notice something? The photo did not balance well. Let's just see. Let me use this photo. But I don't want their own. I don't need their own. So let's leave it there. So backspace, let's click on the backspace. Let me use another thing as well as a backspace. I have something here. Okay, let me use this one. This is for the one, my own one that I created with them. This is my own backsplash. Okay. So if you are done, you just hit okay. It will upload it. And the upload is ready. So the next thing you will do here, after you have put your description, your socials, the next thing you do is just hit on updates. You know, updates. You cannot always change what you put later. Okay. So at least save. So I'm just saving this so that I'll show you. But later, I will change the face. I will change my profile picture. All right. Later. So everything is here. And once the next thing you will do here, let's close this thing here. I don't need this. So we'll go back to home page. Let's go back to our dashboard. Did it show? Let's refresh. So that is it for today on how to create Rambo's account successfully. Don't forget, inside this Rambo account, they have profile like Facebook and they have channels. You can use this single profile now to create many channels as much as you want. If you are into different niches, okay? That's why I say hit the follow button so that you will not miss out on any tutorial that will be dropping. So see you again. Let me know in the comment section if you love what you see. And if you are registering right now, of course, you have to register. Meanwhile, what are you waiting for? You have to register and join the moving trend. Join the moving trend because I tell you, time will come when they will change all their monetization policy. Time will come. So join now that you still have time to do it. See you again. Don't forget, hit the follow button and share it to others. Bye for now.